Hi friends, I am Balamurli, Assistant Professor, Department of Mechanical Engineering in SNS College of Engineering. Now we are going to see about how to import MCQ questions in Google Form. For that we have to get it into Google Drive. Here you can see several Google Form and Google Spreadsheets. We have to create one Google Spreadsheet and then followed by Google Form. You can see it can be created by using My Drive and Google Sheet and blank spreadsheet, which I have created earlier. Now I'm just copying my MCQ questions from another folder. Column A represents questions, B, C, D and E will represent the options for the questions. You can see more than 100 questions are available. Now I am going to show few questions for uploading in the Google Form. Since it will take long time for loading, I am just selecting few of them. I'm just copying it and pasting it in the Google spreadsheet which I have created earlier. Here the A column represents the questions, B, C, D and E will represent the options for the question. Now we have to create a Google Form by using more and create Google Form, blank form. Similarly I have created earlier. You can just change the title of the form. And you can give form description if needed. In earlier stage we will post question one by one. Now we can see how. Now we are going to see about importing questions from spreadsheets directly. You can see that puzzle like icon. We have to put add-ons. There you can see search box is available and you can just scroll down and click the form builder. Just install it. You have to give permission and install it in your mail ID. These add-ons will be reflected in your mail account only. Just close the window. Now you can see the puzzle like icon. There you can see form builder. Now click start. A new tab will open. mini tab. Here you have to select the spreadsheet, Google Sheet. You have to select the Google Sheet which you have created the questions into Drive. Now you can scroll and select the sheet name, that is SOMQB, which I have created in that Google Sheet. You can see choose tab, SOMQB. Yeah. Now you have to select question and answer since it's an MCQ questions. Now you can see the enter range. We have to refer with the spreadsheet which we have created already. There the first A1 is the beginning cell, and then a last cell will be the last option of the question. The last option of the question is in the E29 cell. You have to select A1 colon E29 so that the entire questions starting to ending will be selected. Since I am not including anything, so I just leave it blank. Now you can post the question at column at A, since questions are available in A column, and the answer starts at the column B, and the answer column ends at E. Now I am clicking the option Get. You can see all the questions which have been entered in the Google spreadsheet will be available in the formula tab. Here the type of questions may be changed in that tab itself. Now I am going to select import selector. The selected question with options will be imported directly in the Google form. Now you can see all the questions which have been selected are displayed in the Google form. Now you can change or alter whatever you want. This is a simple way to import bulk MCQ questions in Google form. Thank you.